Liverpool signed Wolverhampton's Portuguese striker Diogo Jota in September 2020 in a transfer costing up to £45 million, including potential bonuses. Those bonuses include a several million pound add-on if Liverpool wins the Premier League, according to the Daily Mail. Aston Villa, on the other side, will receive €15 million from Manchester City as a bonus fee for Jack Grealish if Pep's side lifts the Premier League title. This was part of the agreement when signing the £100 million valued striker. Today is the final day of the Premier League season, and Manchester City will face Aston Villa at Etihad Stadium. Liverpool FC will also face Wolverhampton Wanderers at Anfield. So the big question is, will Wolves play so hard to win the match so that the chance, if Man City loses to Aston Villa, makes them lose their bonus if Liverpool wins the Premier League title? It's also like a vice versa to the other side of Aston Villa. Will Aston Villa play so hard to stop Manchester City from winning the title so that Liverpool wins and they miss their €15 million bonus on the deal of Jack Grealish? Well, we wait to see in a few coming hours as the time counts down. Now, this also raises questions about football regulations of transfer. Now, it's a heart-pumping scenario, and definitely the possibility is that both Liverpool and Manchester City will win. There's a very high chance of match fixing from all these two games. Thank you very much as we wait to witness what will happen. Bye bye.
Go take it! Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't